everyone and all my dear friends. Today I am going to speak a short introduction of Odisha. So let's get started. Odisha, formerly known as Odisha, the land of ancient Kalinga, from where the light of Buddhism spread through India. The name of Odisha derived its name from tribal community in ancient times called Odra, who worshipped the sun god. It is located on the eastern coast of India, bordering West Bengal. Odisha boasts of its rich culture with its historical monuments, traditional arts, music, and dance. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar, the city of temple, especially Lord Jagannath Temple in Puri. Odisha is the place where each and every festival are celebrated with enthusiasm. Now we all are thinking what kind of clothes they wear. Women wear Oriya sari, which is often in 5 yard cotton ikat cloth. Men wear dhoti, kurta, gamucha during the festivals. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Kasturi Nitin Kamli. I study in 5th B and today I will be speaking about the food culture of Odisha. The food of Odisha is popularly known as Odia cuisine. It is a melange of varied food items and practices. As Odisha is bordered between two both North Indian and South Indian states, its food is influenced by North India, Bengal and Assam. The mustard oil is majorly used by the people of Odisha. Yogurt is also used in many dishes, while sweets are based by chenna, a form of cheese. The popular dishes of Odisha are khichdi, macha ghata, chungdi malai, dalma, gupchup, chenna poda, etc. Thank you.
I am Charvi Rathod from 5th B. Today I am going to present famous places in Odisha. Odisha, an Eastern Indian state on the Bay of Bengal, is known for its tribal cultures and its many ancient Hindu temples. There are 30 tourist places in Odisha. Odisha is a vibrant land. On one side where you find temples and a whole branch of religious sites. On the other, there are hill stations, valleys, national parks, beach and rivers. Puri Beach festivals and the Jagannath Rath Yatra attracts tons of tourists to Odisha yearly. Attractive and visitable places in Odisha are Puri, Bhubaneswar, Konark and Cuttack.
Good evening, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Rishika Rakesh Sharma, and today I will tell you the famous dance of Odisha is Odissi. Odissi is one of the famous classical dance styles of Odisha. Others include Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, Kathak, Kathakali, and Manipuri. Odissi in its history was performed by women and expressed related stories and spiritual ideas. It also express ideas of others traditional such as those related to Hindu gods and goddesses. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Shraddha Dinesh Devariga. Today I am going to speak about the festival of Odisha. Rath Yatra is a Hindu festival associated with Lord Jagannath held at Puri Dham in the state of Odisha. Durga Puja in Odisha is observed in the month of September or October. The festival celebrate in the arrival of goddess Durga with Lord Ganesha, Lord Kartikeya, goddess Lakshmi and goddess Saraswati. Kalinga Utsava or National Festival of Martial Dance is the mark of major victory of peace and war. When Kalinga once witnessed a battle during the reign of Ashoka. Makar Mela or Makar Sankranti, yet another important festival of Odisha. The people of Odisha celebrate the festival. The people of Odisha offered prayers and food to the sun god. They seek blessings and ask for healthy and prosperous life. Thank you.